I tried to do this food challenge eating 100 pieces of siomai.
100 pieces. Siomai. Challenge accepted. Kaya ubusin? Malalaman natin yan. Anyway, hey everyone, it's me Neshi, your guapa is back and your chika babe for today. For today's latest and like more chika updates, here it is. So at this video, magmumukbang po tayo nitong 100 pieces of siomai. So meron ako itong pre-neptic. So first, going to put it, tapos lagyan mo siya ng maanghang. Konti lang. So, kasama ko pala dito yung anak ko. Pero ewan ko kung kakain ba siya nito. So, eto, first bite, tikman natin. Harap. Second bite. Mami? Ito, 3 pa lang to ha. Ito, 3. Wow. Sarap. Hindi ko kaya. Hindi madali. 100 pieces. Hanggang 30 plus lang yung kaya kong ubusin. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye!